welcome back, guys. Biggest auto gallery service center. We are doing Novitec lowering springs and some Giovanna wheels on this 2022 Ferrari F8 Spiders. We got new bump stops, new springs, new perches, new collars. That's what's going to be the first thing we're going to do after we unbox these wheels. Got everything unboxed, you know, the Novitec springs, the Giovanna wheels, and the Lionheart tires. Let's tear this F8 apart. So far, we disconnected all the electrical stuff for the front suspension, because the front suspension has bumpy road softening or suspension softening setting, and then also we've disconnected the hydraulic lines for the front lift system. So what I did first was I cracked open the bleeder screw to relieve the pressure, and then removed the banjo bolt that supplies the hydraulic unit feed, and that's that. So right now, oh, and also took out this level sensor because we're going to pull this arm off and we'll break that, and we don't want to break anything. We have disassembled the strut, the front strut. We've taken the hat off, compressed the spring, taken the hat off, replaced the bump stop that they put in. This is the riser and perch for the new lowering spring that we're going to put right there. There you go, and that's what the strut is going to look like. And the cool part is, yes, it does have front end lift, which is hydraulically actuated like we said previously, but it still used the stock coilover perch. But this is a harder spring, or a stiffer spring, and it's also a shorter spring in comparison. Actually, you know what? Let's take it apart. The brand new Novitec spring, and here is the factory OEM spring. So you got at least 2.5-inch drop just from that alone, but also when the spring compresses, it's gonna, you know, change levels also some more. And the other important thing to know about this is that once you replace springs, it takes about a week for them to settle, so you want to recheck them after and see if the ride height is still even. Both front struts are in and installed. We got to do a couple more things. There's an electric connector that I disconnected. So both fronts are installed at this point. Everything's torqued down. Later on, we're going to have to bleed the front lift system, which we won't do just yet because we want to get the rear struts going. We have all 4 struts mounted, lowering springs installed. We've lowered the perches down, and we've got the new wheels installed. So what we're going to do now is lower the car down on some lifting blocks, and we're going to see where the ride height stands and make sure that it's even. If it isn't, then we'll make the necessary adjustments. And then after we do that, we are going to bleed the front end lift system. All right, so wheels are torqued, suspension's in, ride height is where we want it. Let's take it outside. So that's a wrap on this 2022 Ferrari F8 Spider build. We did Novitec lowering springs, got the factory coilovers kind of just adjusted right so we get this awesome flush look on these Giovanna wheels. The cool thing about the Novitec stuff is it rides fine, it's great. Highly recommend. So for the next time, let us know what you want us to maybe build and give us some ideas, or if you guys want to get your car built by us, we're totally happy to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, so peace out.